Learn Manipuri language easily. Grow with James. What is your name? Nangi Radomgi naming kari kaubage. What is your surname? Nangi yumna karino. Where do you live? Nang kadai dalayge. Where do you come from? Nang kadai dagilak pano. Where do you come from? What's the name of your city or town? Nakoigi sahardugi maming karino. From which town are you? Nang kari sahardagino. What do you do? Nang kari taubage. What are you? Nang karino. What is your profession? Nangi sinfam karino. Are you employed? Nang tabak taurabro. Yes, I'm a doctor. Hoi, ay doctor ni. No, I'm a student. Taudri ay satra ni. Are you married? Nang yung palabo. No, I'm single. Pandri tantani. When are you gonna marry? Nang karamkanda luhong doino. Who are you? Nang kanano. I'm James. What about you? Ay James ni. Nang di. I'm James. What about you? How are you? Nang bu karam taurige. I'm fine. Thank you. Ay nungairi. Tagachari. How's life? Punsisi karam taurige. Pretty good. Yam nungairi. What's up? Kari taurige. Karam taurige. Kari layrige. Nothing special. Toidok palaitida. I'm enjoying myself. Ay nungai tui. I'm enjoying myself. In which class do you read? Nang class kaya tamige. What standard are you? Nang class or standard kaya ano? What standard are you? What's your father's profession? Noy babagi sinfam karino. What is the occupation of your father? Noy babagi sinfam karino. What is the occupation of your father? I read in class 10, or I am studying class 10. Ay class 10 tami. When is your exam? Noigi parikya karam kandano. It starts on 5th of June. June da hogani. O June gi tarik mangada. Do you love me? Nangay bunungshi bro. Yes, I do. Hoy nungshi. I love you as a friend. Marup kum nungshi. I love you as a friend. Marup kum nungshi. What is your favorite color? Nang nakwai di pamzaba machu si karino or kaino. I like black. Ay amuba pami. Amuba pamzay. I like black. What's your favorite curry? Nang nakwai pamzaba insang si kaino or karino. I love fish a lot. Ay ngayam pamzay. I love fish a lot. Why are you crying? Nang karigi kapino. No reason. Maram laiti. Why are you crying? Nang karigi kapino. No reason. Maram laiti. Why do you cry without a reason? Maram laiti na karigi kapino. Or kaigi kapino. I don't know. Ay kangde. Maram laiti na kaigi kapino. I don't know. Ay kangde. Then stop crying. Adudi kapatuo no. Kapatuo. None of your business. Nataunate. Then stop crying. Adudi kapatuo. None of your business. Nataunate. When is your birthday? Nangi pukpunumit karam kandano. It's on October 25. October 25 tani. When is your birthday? Nangi pukpunumit karam kandano. Will you invite me for your marriage? Will you invite me for your marriage? Nang luhong bagi Barton ingon da pirakadro. Yep, sure. Hoy, soidrabani. Yep, sure. Would you love me just for a day? Ayubanang na nong matanggi nung sibigera. I don't believe in one day love. ꯑꯩ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ. ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯕꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do now? ꯅꯪ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ? I'm gonna study my lesson. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ. When are you coming here? ꯅꯪ sida karam kanda laktuino? I'll come tomorrow. Ay hayeng lakani. When are you coming here? When are you coming here? Nang sida karam kanda laktuino? Where is your home? Noyum kaidano. Kadaidano or kaidano. It is nearby. Anakpadani. Anakpadani. It is nearby. Can I come to your village? Noigi kunda ay lakpa yagadra. Most welcome. Yamna taramna okchari. Can I come to your village? Noigi kunda ay lakpa yagadra. When are you gonna visit us? When are you gonna visit us? Nang karam kanda akuida lak kuraktuino. Akuida kuraktuino. Very soon. Yam tuna. Very soon. Are you coming today? Nangasi laktuiro. Not sure. Can't say. Saying drida. Pazana kangdri. Haibangamdri. Not sure. Can't say. How can I help you? Or how may I help you? Karam na mating pangzakani. Karam na adombu mating pangzakani. It's okay. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.